For Coppell homeowners, home improvement projects often focus on comfort, style, and efficiency. But what if one upgrade could deliver all three while also benefiting the environment? That's exactly what you get when you install modern, energy-efficient windows. More than just an aesthetic update, these windows play a key role in reducing energy waste, cutting greenhouse gas emissions, and promoting healthier living spaces. Let's explore the environmental benefits of installing modern windows in your Coppell home. Lower energy consumption. One of the most significant environmental impacts of outdated windows is how much energy they waste. Older single-pane or poorly sealed windows allow heated or cooled air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work overtime. Modern windows are built with double or triple pane glass, insulated frames, and advanced weather stripping. Many also feature low emissivity coatings that reflect heat without blocking natural light. For Coppell residents, this means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter with less energy use. By lowering overall energy consumption, modern windows reduce the demand for electricity, which often comes from fossil fuels. Reduced greenhouse gas emissions. When your HVAC system runs constantly to compensate for leaky windows, it increases energy use, and with it, greenhouse gas emissions. By reducing the need for excessive heating and cooling, modern windows directly lower your household's carbon footprint. This is particularly important in North Texas, where long, hot summers constrain energy grids and contribute to high emissions. Choosing energy-efficient windows is a simple yet impactful way to support broader sustainability goals while still enjoying a comfortable home. Longer lifespan, less waste. Older windows often require frequent maintenance or early replacement due to warping, rot, or failing seals. This constant cycle generates waste and increases demand for new manufacturing. Modern windows, however, are designed for durability. Materials like vinyl, fiberglass, and treated wood composites resist weather damage and last for decades with minimal upkeep. For Coppell homeowners, this translates to fewer replacements over time, meaning less waste in landfills and a more sustainable approach to home improvement. Improved indoor air quality. Environmental benefits extend indoors, too. Poorly sealed or damaged windows can let in outdoor pollutants, dust, and excess moisture. This not only affects your health but can also increase your reliance on air purifiers or dehumidifiers, which consume additional energy. Modern windows with tight seals help maintain healthier indoor air quality by blocking pollutants and regulating humidity. By creating a cleaner indoor environment naturally, you reduce the need for extra appliances and conserve energy in the process. Maximizing natural light. Relying less on artificial lighting is another way modern windows help the environment. Designs with larger glass areas and advanced coatings allow more natural light into your home without the added heat gain that older windows bring. For Coppell homes, this means bright, airy spaces during the day without flipping on as many lights. Over time, reduced electricity use from lighting adds to your home's overall energy savings and environmental impact. Contributing to sustainable home value. Eco-friendly features are increasingly attractive to buyers. By installing modern windows, you're not only reducing your household's environmental footprint but also boosting the long-term value of your Coppell property. A home with energy-efficient windows is more marketable, especially to environmentally conscious buyers who prioritize sustainability. This investment benefits both the planet and your wallet, now and in the future. Conclusion: a greener choice for Coppell homes. Upgrading to modern windows is about more than improving comfort or curb appeal. It's about making a meaningful difference for the environment. From reducing energy use and greenhouse gas emissions to promoting durability and healthier indoor air, modern windows provide sustainable benefits that go beyond your home. For Coppell homeowners, this upgrade is a smart choice that combines style, efficiency, and eco-friendliness. By installing modern windows, you're not only enhancing your living space but also contributing to a cleaner, greener future for your community.